Welcome, beautiful people, to Tales from an African Drum. Today, we journey back in time to a story of courage, wisdom, and survival. This is the story of the Ewe people's great escape from the mighty King Agorkoli, a journey that shaped the Volta region of Ghana as we know it today. Stay with me as I walk you through history, tradition, and pride. A long time ago, in the walled city of Notsie, in what is now Togo, lived a powerful and feared king, King Agorkoli. His rule was harsh, and the people, especially the Ewe, also known as the EWES, suffered under his heavy hand. He made them work day and night, building great walls and enduring countless punishments. To stop anyone from escaping, he built a huge wall around the city, guarded, high, and very strong. But the Ewe people were not only hardworking, they were wise. Led by their elders, they formed a plan. The women, pretending to wash clothes, poured dirty water on one hidden spot of the city wall every single day. Slowly, the wall began to weaken. Then came the night of the great escape. Under the cover of darkness, the Ewe people broke through the softened wall. But they did something clever. They walked backwards, so their footprints pointed towards Notsie. When King Agorkoli's guards discovered the broken wall and followed the footprints, they believed the people had gone into the city, not out. And by the time the truth was uncovered, the Ewe people were far away. They journeyed through the forest, across rivers, and over the hills until they reached a land rich with water, beauty, and peace, the land now known as the Volta region of Ghana. There, the Ewes made their home. They built villages and towns, spoke their language with pride, and kept their culture alive through storytelling, dance, music, and festivals. Today, the Ewe people are one of the most respected ethnic groups in Ghana, known for their beauty, intelligence, hard work, and deep cultural pride. They continue to thrive, from the arts to academia, from farming to politics. Every year, they celebrate the Hogbetsotso Festival to remind them of the great escape from King Agorkoli. The Hogbetsotso Festival is not just any festival. It is a sounding declaration of the words, "We are still here, we are still strong." So when you meet an Ewe person, you are meeting a descendant of survivors, of dreamers, of wise leaders and courageous hearts. This is the story of the Ewe people, a people who turned pain into purpose and built a future from the ashes of the past.